You may have heard about the proposed rail spur from the existing Vale line to Cardiff Airport. Did you know this may result in trains carrying less than 5 passengers each? Here's how we worked it out. 1,200,000 passengers flew from or to Cardiff Airport in 2011. That's 3,288 per day. Assuming it was a great success, 15% of passengers might use the rail link. This is based on figures from Newcastle, one of the UK's most successful rail-connected airports. That's about 493 passengers per day making use of the rail link. There are about 51 trains a day, and that's a total of 102 journeys. Stuart Cole, Professor of Transport and former Director of the Wales Transport Research Centre at the University of Glamorgan, talks of 3 or 4 trains an hour, but we'll assume only 3 trains per hour for 17 hours a day. 493 passengers divided by 102 journeys equals 4.83 passengers per journey. StopTheSpur.org